So you got 4 siblings and are all lady boy.
Yeah.
Oh God. Oh, they are all making money, huh? As in lady boy, they have lingerie.
Transgender.
Transgender.
Yeah, 2 transgender, 1 bisexual, and then me.
Okay. So your parents are happy about that?
Yeah.
Because it's all boys. You should be playing basketball or
Yeah. No, my father, he talk, my son, nung bata pa yung mga anak ko, lalaki sila. Pero nung lumaki na sila, babae na sila.
So your dad said that you guys are, when you were just a kid, you were a straight man, and now that you guys are growing, you are a woman. The heart is woman. So why did you choose being a lady? Did you choose being a lady boy? Pinili mo ba maging bakla?
Hindi ko pinilan maging bakla. Ano lang to, kumbaga dumating na lang.
You didn't choose